Open your Filmora 14 and try match cuts with me to improve your editing to be the next Oscar award-winning editor or filmmaker, starting with shape match cuts. To smoothly transition from one clip to another, shape match cut can be done by matching two video clips with the same shape. If you cannot eyeball matching the two shapes, you may go to the compositing of the clip and adjust its opacity to easily align the two clips together. Once done, you may now bring back to opacity and just look at that seamless transition. Next is the sound match cut, where you may use a uniform sound that can go on from one clip to another, seamlessly transitioning with the help of sound effects or music. Simply cut your clip whenever it looks like it's producing the same sound. Do this to all of your clip, and after that you may now apply the sound effect or music if you want. In my case, I used a water drop since all of my clips follow the same format of water dropping. Next is action match cut. This match cut is very simple, as you just need to use different clips that are doing the same action. Just like this running man, a running horse, and a running car. They all match in action, and it's good to do a match cut between them to add more action to your videos or film. Just make sure to align them properly for a seamless transition. It's much better if they move in the same rate as well, like this one. They are all moving fast, so I won't suggest that you add a slow-moving subject between these video clips. A directional match cut is a filmmaking technique where the movement or visual direction in one scene is mirrored or matched in the next. By aligning the direction of motion or composition, such as a character walking in one direction or an object moving in a particular way, the editor creates a smooth, seamless transition between scenes. This technique helps maintain visual continuity, guiding the audience's eye and enhancing the storytelling flow. I hope you learned something today, and as always, keep creating and see you next time.